Hey y'all, it's Miss Slick here from Slick's Homestead. We're gonna make spaghetti sauce today. My husband don't like it. Mr. Slick don't like it at all, but he'll be alright.
Not that he don't like it, he just ain't crazy about spaghetti all the time.
Well, Miss Slick loves spaghetti. Well, I skipped, I've already got the tomatoes blanched and peeled. I'm not going to show that in this video because I already did it. But all you have to do is get some boiling water, put your tomatoes in there, blanch them for a couple minutes, and then get them out and then cool them off and peel them. Easy as pie. Now I need 12 cups of tomatoes. I'm going to put them in the blender and blend them up real good to make them all mushy.
Or a food processor if you'd rather use a food processor.
A food processor, my bad. As y'all get to know me, you're going to realize I'm a dingbat.
She sure is a cute one, though.
You blend them up till they're really runny and chopped up. So that it'll cook real good.
Still a big old chunk in there.
Yes. When there's
You gotta turn that thing on high.
I thought it was on high.
No, you just put it on one. Good grief, woman. Oop, I'm gonna slide it out. It don't come off my other. Holy cow.
Oh, there's another chunk. And I'll just keep on going till I get 12 cups, and then I'll be back for the next step. So I'm done with blending up all the tomatoes. I got about 12 cups of tomatoes. And now I'm going to cut up my peppers and my Italian parsley and my basil. Now my green peppers are already chopped up. I actually chop these up and keep them in the freezer. It's real easy and it's convenient. About a cup of bell peppers. Two tablespoons of garlic.
Minced
Garlic. Or you can use cloves. If you use cloves, it's about 5 to 6.
That's nearly through there. It was humped up.
Garlic. Everybody loves garlic. Other than Mr. Slick.
That's the secret to good cooking.
Yeah.
Lots of garlic.
Lots of garlic. I forgot I just bought these, so I have to open them up. A few red crushed peppers for a little bit of heat. About a teaspoon. The basil is already chopped up pretty good. And it's about 2 teaspoons. Ooh, that basil smells good.
Ain't that an oxymoron?
No, not at all. Okay, and about a teaspoon of lemon juice. Some Italian parsley.
Is that better than German?
Yeah. Chop it up a little bit because that's gonna, the blender's gonna, it's probably about 2 tablespoons.
That food processor, sure.
Food processor, I keep forgetting.
It'll show enough to it. If a blender won't.
It's not a blender, it's a food processor. Just bear with me. 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce.
Worcester who?
Worcestershire.
Worcestershire.
Worcestershire. And these peppers. We need about a cup of
Sweet peppers?
sweet peppers. I just do them in chunks because this is gonna chop them up.
The blender.
The blender. And you blend all this up real good.
In the food processor.
In the food processor, and then just add it to the tomatoes. I forgot oregano, one of the important. It's about 2 tablespoons too. You can't forget the oregano. And then there's tomato paste too and bay leaves, but those go in.
2 tablespoons? That's only a half.
1 tablespoon. It was really supposed to be 2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons?
Teaspoons. All right, we're fixing to mix it up. Okay, now that we got all the good ingredients mixed up, all the garlic and the basil, all the yummy stuff that makes spaghetti good, we are going to take this over here and put it in all the tomatoes and mix it up. Okay, so now we're at the cooking process, and we're gonna put all this yummy stuff in there. Let me get this out. You put it all in there. This is all the oregano and all the spices, the parsley. This is gonna be so good. Then you have 2 12-ounce cans of tomato paste. I know it sounds like a lot of tomato paste, but it makes it yummy too.
Gotta thicken it up somehow.
Yep. 1/4 of a cup of sugar. 2 bay leaves. And 2 tablespoons of salt.
Just measure it in your hand. There you go.
And then you bring it to a boil, and then you let it simmer for about 1 hour. And then after it simmers for 1 hour, well, of course you mix it all up. And then after it simmers for 1 hour, we'll put it in the jars, and then we'll hot bath the jars. So the spaghetti sauce has simmered. I said 1 hour, but you could really do 30 to 45 minutes. But you got to get them bay leaves to simmer and marry and marinate. And then, so once you're done simmering it and everything, you got to put them in the jars.
Hot jars.
Hot jars, yes. And then you take your what is it, baby?
It's a funnel, honey.
It's a funnel. I could not think of it. See, and I'm going to tell you why I couldn't think of it. Because he specifically said, this is a funnel and this is a ladle, because he knows I get everything mixed up. So, when
and it did no good.
It did not do any good. But anyway, you ladle the spaghetti sauce into the jars.
About a 1/2 inch head space.
Yep.
Leave about a 1/2 inch on top. And if y'all don't know, a 1/2 inch is just about the little ring here on the bottom of the jar.
And then you just keep on putting them in the jars. And when we're done, we're going to hot bath them for 25 minutes. Pints are 15 minutes and quarts are 25 minutes. I got that down.
Finally figured that part out.
Mm-hmm.
That's why we make these videos, so we can look back and remember.
Yep. Remember how silly I am. Uh-oh, I don't think we have enough jars.
Don't think that pie's gonna take care of it.
Mm-mm.
You'd think 12 cups of tomatoes would fill up 3 jars, 3 quarts. because there's 4 cups in a quart.
So, yes, exactly. We need one more jar, but you gotta clean the lids, the top of the jars.
Make sure there's no trash on it.
Right, none at all. Then you take your magnet and get your seals and put those on there. And then you take your lids and you tighten those to a hand tight, not like super tight. And then I will get this.
Why don't you use a little quart jar? Ain't you got a quart over there? I mean a pint jar? Not a quart, pint. Think it needs another quart?
Yeah, and then maybe I'll save some for me to eat.
There you go. You could always dip something in, I guess.
Yeah. We got all the simmering done and all the jarring done, and now we're going to hot bath it for 25 minutes. And I'm just putting these down in here. And then we'll time it, and when 25 minutes is up, we're completely done. So I almost forgot that we had a pint in here and 3 quarts, and the pint only takes 15 minutes, so we're gonna get it out. And then we're gonna go put it in the house on a towel and let it rest for 24 hours. All right, the 25 minutes is up, so it's time to get these out of here. I'm gonna turn the gas off.
Somebody shooting firecrackers.
Oh, did you hear the fireworks? It is 4th of July tomorrow. And then I'm gonna get these out, and I'm also going to put these on the towel like I did the pint. Here they are. Thank you for watching this video. Give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and that way you won't miss any of the videos, and you can see how goofy I am and how much my husband loves me. Y'all have a great day. Thank you for watching.